Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, classmate. And this is our video presentation that Mamisai given. Question number 1. How do science and technology affect your daily life as a student, family member, and member of society? Reflect on specific example on how they help you solve problem, make decision, or perform everyday tasks.
Okay, thank you for your question. Science and technology make my daily life easier. I use my phone and the internet for my studying, communication, and finding information. They help me they help me to solve my problems and finish my everyday tasks faster and more smoother. Okay, John Ford. As a public administrator, how can you use science and technology to make informed decisions and solve a public problem? What skill and values you should develop to apply them responsibly?
Thank you for your question. As a future public administrator, I can use technology to collect information, study problem, and make better decisions. I should develop skills in research, communications, critical thinking, and technology. I should also be responsible, honest, and fair when using information. And that's all.
Thank you.
Number 2 question. Think of a problem in your community that can address through science and technology. What is the problem and how can scientific knowledge or technology help provide practical solution?
Okay, thank you. One of my problem in my community is the improper waste disposal. Science and technology can help through recycling, proper waste collection, and information campaign. This this help keep the community clean and healthy. By sa atong technology, daghan kay magamit sa pamagitan lang sa atong pag-picture lang anang basurhan nga wala na segregate. Pwede na nato nga mapicturean dayon atong iato sa atong government daw sila na mo action din ana. Through internet dako kay sa tabang nga maka-gain og information ang atong barangay sa ang atong gobyerno sa atong barangay nga kani nga lugar is wala ni siya na kuan nga basurhan na sana kanang this wala sakto ang ilang pag disintegrate. So daw kay tabang ang technology erase ang atong voice nga mapansin sa atong gobyerno ang atong mga problema diri sa atong barangay, which is ang proper waste disposal. Thank you. Okay, John Ford, here are my question. How do science and technology contribute the development and progress in the Philippines? Reflect on their role in improving the economy, public service, education, healthcare, and quality of life of the citizen.
Thank you for your wonderful questions. The question is, how do science and technology contribute to the Philippines? For me, science and technology helps the Philippines improve education, healthcare, businesses, transportation, and public services. They also create jobs and make work easier. Overall, they help improve the quality of life of Filipino citizens. And that's all.
Thank you.
Okay, Steve. Here are the number 3 questions. How can future public administrator apply science and technology to improve public service and respond to needs of citizens? reflect on areas such as healthcare, disaster management, education, transportation, and environmental protection.
Okay, thank you for that wonderful question. Future public administrator can use technology to make public service faster, easier, and more accessible. It can help improve the healthcare, education, transportation, and digital management. Through the online services and digital system, by using accurate information and modern tools, they can better understand the citizen needs and provide more solution effectively. Okay, this is my question. Why are science, technology, and innovation important in addressing national problems and challenges? Choose one issues affecting the Philippines and explain how science and technology can contribute to possible solution.
Why are science, technology, and innovation important? They are important because they help solve national problem. For for example, during natural disaster, technology can provide early warning and faster communication. So this can help protect lives and community. And for me, so it is very important because without the scientists there is no innovation dito nga mahitabo sa atong community or sa atong nasa drone. So ang technology po dayon is without pud bitaw sa technology is hinay bitaw ang flow bitaw sa government bitaw sa ilang services nga ilang ipaabot bitaw sa mga katawhan without technology, and dili po siya ingon bitaw ta nga effective tungod kay hinay. So by that technology is effective bitaw siya dayon pas pud bitaw siya, and especially for the pareha ng mga disaster nga mga hitabo. So dali ra bitaw kay sila maka-spread bitaw og mga information about dito unsa bitaw ang mga angay nga himuon when it comes bitaw sa disaster response. And that's all for me. Okay, Steve, this is the fourth question, and this is might be the last question. So the question is, describe a real life situation where technology has both positive and negative effects on people or society. How can responsible and ethical use of science and technology help maximize benefits while reducing negative consequences?
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for your question. Technology can help students communicate, study, and find information quickly. But too much use can cause distraction and spread misinformation. People should use technology responsibly by checking information, protecting personal data, and avoiding harmful content. By using technology wisely and ethically, we can enjoy its benefits while reducing its negative effects. Okay, Janford, this is my question. What role should the government play in promoting science and technology for national development? As a future administrator, reflect on how government policies, program, and public investment can support innovation and development.
Thank you for your question. What role should the government play in promoting science and technology? So, as a future public administrator, government should support science and technology technology through funding, education, research, and useful program. It should also provide technology to communities that need it. So by that, can help the country to develop and become more competitive. So that's all.